Sickle cell is the drug which usually used in the patient who are very much irritable, nervous patient, cachetic appearance. Guiding symptom of the sickle cell, you should always remember that there is hemorrhagic diathesis. Okay, it is slightest wound causes bleeding per year like lactases and phosphorus. And important feature of sickle is that like amphora, sickle cell also there will be feel cold to touch but patient cannot bear covering. Like amphora, icy coldness of the extremity. Icy coldness of the extremity. That line is the important for guide MCQ purpose. As well as important line is that added to person who having passive hemorrhage, that's why there will be body become, but body is hot. Body is hot, that's why it cannot tolerate covering. Body cold to touch, but body inside the body there will be hotness. So without further delay, we will discuss that is sickle cell, that is added to women who have thin scrawny. Scrawny means excessively cachetic or excessively weakness person who are very much weak, looking very dull, very lean and thin. That person scrawny, feeble, cachetic appearance, irritable nervous temperament, pale sunken countenance. Person very much feeble person. Feeble person means their pulse is very slow, very feeble. Women, mainly the women whose sickle cell, you should remember triage of opening. Important thing is that opening. That is opening is there what here. The women of lax muscle fiber, everything seems loose or open, like apis. Apis also anus wide open, like phosphorus, as well as a sickle cell. 3 drug you should remember about anus open, wide open. Okay, that picture you should remember. Okay, now the thing is that the patient, there will be passive hemorrhage. Passive hemorrhage, what is active hemorrhage means what? Passive hemorrhage means the hemorrhage is very thin black watery blood due to the blood vessel when destroyed, the blood which is released, that is thin. There will be discharge of liquid blood, that is strong tendency to putrefy or destroy. Tingling sensation because of the patient who is very cachetic, feeble personality, irritable patient, nor very hemorrhagitis. That's why there will be tendency to create debilitated, very frustration, very weakness is marked picture with limbs are tingling. Especially weakness is not caused by the previous loss of a fluid. Always you remember green brown offensive. Liquor is a green brown offensive. Remember, then boil is small, painful with a green content, mature very slowly and heal same manner. Means like a hypersulf, the boil is every wound is slowly, not heal very easily, like that. Very debilitating condition, cannot touch. Dysuria also, felon is cannot be able to be touched. Like debilitated face is sunken, hypocatic face, like it's syncona. Hypocatic face because of a loss of vital fluid is similarly here also sunken face, blue rings around the eyes. Now the ravenous appetite in GI with exhaustive of a diarrhea. We know every drug, sickle cell is a drug of opening due to the wide opening. Opening term you should remember always for sickle cell. Opening is that due to opening there will be loss of a fluid occur, loss of a diarrhea occur. Grapes for acid lemonade, there will be putrefaction, profuse diarrhea with watery brown, discharge with great force like Gambusia crotonti. Painless involuntary, anus is wide open. This line is important, commonly asked in the MCQ point of view. Anus is wide open, that is a enuresis of the old people. There will be urine is pale, watery, suppressed urine, burning all the part. Here this line is important. This line is important, that is burningness is marked in the sickle cell. One thing you should remember, that is burning of all parts of the body, that is as if fire were falling from the patient. That's burningness. This burningness causing it cannot be able to be covered. Inside the body there will be spark of fire. Gangrene, dry gangrene, that is senile gangrene, mainly diabetes aggravation from external heat. There will be large ecchymosis we find commencement of gangrene. There will be cholera occur. Skin is cold but cannot be covered. Why? Because of a burningness. Burningness is max. Now the menses mainly asked in your exam, that is menses irregular, copious, dark fluid. So we use mainly which case there will be we use menorrhagia, irregular menses, labor like pain. You should always remember that sickle cell having pathogenesis is like that. If we take, this is a uterus, okay, this is the uterus. If sickle cell medicine we give, then the myometrium get contraction and leads to the uterus contraction, which results to abortion, okay, which results to abortion. So there will be threatened abortion will be found. Prolonged bearing down, forcing pain is the prolonged threatened abortion because of a contraction of the uterus. If sickle cell given, then it will be causes the contraction of uterus, which leads to abortion. Pain is irregular pain, feeble seizing, everything seems loose. You are open, and you should remember that sickle cell is a drug where all things are open. Similarly, in the everything seems loose, he fainting sensation, too long painful hourglass contraction. Hourglass, the uterus when get contracted like this manner, which called hourglass. Suppression of a milk, like milk suppression in the mammary gland because of the properly not filled. Pulse is rapid, contracted, even intermittent. Okay. So aggravation from warmth, covering, worse from heat, ambulation for getting cold, but uncovering part or rubbing causes ambulation. Okay, cinnamon also used postmortem.